So we have created our blog. Let's take a look at it again. Okay, that is it. Let me check. Okay, this is our blog. Let me close it. Let's go back here. Now let's go and we want to try this time to put our blog online using glitch. Let's go to glitch.com. And let's create a new project. Let's create let's create this one. Okay, now we have to let's create a new file called start.sh, and in this one we are gonna to write python run.py. Then we are going to create a new file called run.py. Inside this file we will go and copy and paste our routes.py, where we got most of our code. And okay, let's copy this into this one. We don't need this, and let's do app equal flask, and name. Then we are going to do template folder equal templates, and we are going to static folder equals static. Okay, now we are going to, in the index here, let's rename it templates dash slash index. Okay, let's put this one into static slash style. Okay, now let's go here and see what we got here. We got our startish. Okay, now we need to create our requirement txt with flask and gunicorn, and we need to write here to from flask import the flask class and then render template. And now we need to do if name equal main run.py. okay, app.run, and we got an indentation here that is different. Okay, so now here it is, our page. Let's change the name to our project here. Let's just call it flask. Flask and Python. Okay, our site in Flask, and now we also have called this index instead of home page, but let's call it home page instead. It goes, let's see if there are errors or something. No. Now we want to go back and use the same homepage code here that we made using Jinja. We copy it and we paste it in here. Okay, and now we want to create a new file called template.html. that will be so the same for every page like we did in our code here. Let me copy the code and paste it here. Here we extend the template, so okay, we copy this and we got this style here, and well, let's see what we have now. Nothing is changed because maybe it's a problem of cache memory. We should see what we see in here, something like this. Let's disable the cache memory, but this seems to be stuck on the first one, and okay, here it seems alright. There's no need to save in glitch, so we should be good. Let's see the source. You see, it's the same as before. You know, glitch takes sometimes to change. And we can take a look at another try that I've done in another glitch app that I made that was just like this one, and you see that the CSS was right, it worked, and so this is just a matter of time. I think that glitch will upload everything. As you see here, we get our static file CSS instead. If we go here, I think that is still okay. It's not in the static, it's still the previous page. Okay, let's wait a minute. Okay, so now let's go, and here it is. You can see we got our page.